You guys, today I have a what's up, you guys? Today I have a review on my old black knuckle fingerboard, and yeah, it's scraped up because if you can't see, look, it broke. Yep. I'm not calling it bad because what I was doing with it, and I scraped it up right here, to try and get to it. I'll show you. Hold up, let me get this out. Ugh, it's really on there. Fingerboarding gone wrong. Yep. All right, I'm getting it off. Like that way you can get a better view of what's happened. Alright, so it's about as good as I'm gonna get. Alright, so if you can't see, it's like very bad. I'm gonna try and super glue it. But I ordered a new fingerboard that I'm gonna do a review on, and it still works and everything. Just it's like, gotta be really careful. They'll land right there. And I ordered some new grip tape. Oh my god, it popped. Like, it feels so weird. It just feels really, really nasty. But in all, it still works. Not giving bad broken knuckle a bad rep or nothing, but the next one I ordered, it's a pro model broken knuckle 2, but this one it comes with it's green. No, I'll tell you guys, but it's got better chucks and better bushings. I think it's got bubble bushings. I don't know, but I just got like. Wait, it's really sad. And by the way, in the description, my brother, he just started his gaming channel. It shouldn't be like any videos on there, but like one that's a short little clip. And if you want to do that, go check him out at Nathaniel Newton. It's like, that's it. But yeah, this is what happened. Yeah, now you can see it. See, look, at it from the side.
You don't do one about me?
Yeah, this happened. And the bushings, I had to take off a top layer of bushings because the bolt kept on coming off. This bolt stayed fine. This one's all good. A little bit scraped up, but like all the stuff I put this through, I think it should have been. Because I used to ollie it off my bathroom sink onto the floor, and I used to do a lot of mad stuff. But it's really pretty scraped up in person, if you can see it. The wheels are still pretty good condition. You know, they still roll just as good as when I bought them.
Say me.
And it rolls pretty good. You know, just as good as it did roll. So, I mean, people say that their wheels wear out too easy, but they don't.